Good evening everyone, this is Smart Aviation here today. We're going to do another brand new model review. This is a British Airways Boeing 757-200 in the retro livery in the Blue Box 1200 scale. So this is a beautiful graphics, nicely printed, and I bought it, and it's from the Belltail collection. So, and the box is actually painted white with the British Airways logo and the scale and everything, and it says not suitable for children under 14 years. There you go. Anyway, that's it for the box. Now let's time for the model. Okay. And now let's slowly and gently pull the model outside the box. I absolutely appreciate it. So, there's the model, guys. These are the die-cast models. It means it's made out of metal, it's not plastic, it's not snap fit, and it's not hollow from the inside. So, and back in 1983, it was the service in 1983. First it was painted in the Negus, then the Landor livery, then this livery. And British Airways had a few 757s in these types. So one is the blue pool tail, and one is the Scottish tail tartan, and one is the Chelsea Rose, which is this one. And I had the other one on the BMRD. This one is a G-BIKB, and it says the Chelsea Rose in the front and the British Airways titles, and on the tail we have the rose with the greenish bits and with the raw mill, and we have the nose in the front like on the real aircraft, and these are the cockpit windows, and we have the retractable gears. I love these aircrafts. And when the British Airways 757s were in service, these are being sold to DHL since they removed the bell tails of Chelsea Rose and the Blue Pool and the Scottish tail tartan, and after the Concorde final touchdown in November 2003. Let's put the gear on. And now it has been taxiing on the runway. And the old Rolls-Royce RB211 engines, and this is the sound, was flying noisy since it was landing and taking off. And above this aircraft in the front, the cockpit windows, And we have the red light, top lights, and the black light. And we have the movable nose wheel. And we have the letters on the nose wheel. And yeah. Anyway, that's enough for the details, and we shall tell you all about this British Airways 757. This aircraft was very, very popular back in 1990s to 80s, and it was flying all over Europe. And in these 757s, they had the Chelsea Rose on the BMRD and the BIKB, which is this aircraft. But it's not the same thing, it's quite different. And the Blue Pool tail was on the BIKA, which was the first one, and they had Animal Centuries, which is the Botswana, which was the late ones. And these British Airways 757s have been sold to DHL since they removed the bird tail. And yeah. So, that's it for the details and the history facts. We shall see you again in my next review, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys won't forget DHL is using them as freighters. Bye.